ghost of my past keeps trying to explain to me my scars. And I keep pushing her away, screaming, no, they're yours, not ours. And there's a cold wind blowing through, separating me from you. The ghost of my past, she plays the memories again. And my imagination's stuck, so I cannot change the end. And there's a cold wind blowing through, separating me from you. The ghost of my past, she claims she's here to stay. She says if we don't learn to get along, then I'll never be okay. And that this cold wind blowing through will keep on separating me from you. The ghost of my past, I try to be her friend. She's just trying to keep me away from pain, and I'm trying to keep me on the mend. And this cold wind blowing through just makes me wanna curl up into the warmth